Spice Market wasn't open.
Was it, Seth? You want to buy? You want to buy?
No, I do not want to buy.
So we just got to hop on and then go over to that one and then over to the other one. Over there, you see? Then over there.
And it's a lot cheaper way than paying 100 dirhams.
Ah, Safwan enjoying the wind. Are they falling out, my dear?